threads and shadowed seams, stitching echoes into dreams. Feel the song and embers cry, woven deep where echoes lie. Feel the song untamed alive, every pulse a will to survive. Golden hues on fractured stone, every step a chord unknown. Gravity a fleeting chain, pulling stars through hidden veins. Feel the song and embers cry, woven deep where echoes lie. Feel the song untamed alive, every pulse a will to survive. Through the glass the whispers break, tangled threads of hearts awake. Hold the sound before